Welcome to the podcast, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me here.
Yeah, pleasure. So, someone who studied architecture and then transitioned into interior designing, as a designer, architecture की पढ़ाई कितना help करती है? इसके बारे में बताइए.
Yeah. So I did my architecture long time back. I passed out in 2003 from IIT Roorkee. The initial few years were only architecture. So I just focused on architecture. Then somehow I relocated to America, to New York City, and got the chance to work for the interiors for very billionaire companies, for very billionaire clients and all. And that just was just the starting of, the journey of the interiors. So architecture and interiors together are really important because interiors is nothing without the architecture. So well designed layout of the house is really important.
In a more scientific way.
Scientific way, because functionality, the function of the house, the normal operations of the house is derived from the architecture plans only. And interiors would help us to give you the kind of aura, the kind of peace, the kind of calmness which you can incorporate through interiors.
There's another aspect to interior design and architecture that is called interior decorator.
Yeah.
तो उनका काम काफ़ी अलग होता है एक इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर से. इंटीरियर डिज़ाइनर लेआउट्स में भी वर्क करते हैं. वॉल कहाँ पे होनी चाहिए, कहाँ टूटनी नहीं चाहिए वॉल, किधर कौन सी लाइट लगानी है. अनलाइक इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर जिसका शायद जॉब रोल यही होता है कि वो घर को कैसे डेकोरेट करे.
यस, तो इंटीरियर डेकोरेटर का जो काम होता है ना, वो होता है कि आपका ऑलरेडी एक प्लान्ड रूम है या स्पेस है, अब without touching the structural elements or without touching the walls or something, you just have to decorate it with some decor elements, maybe plants, maybe the wall arts, maybe some other decor elements, maybe with the help of some curtains, maybe with some decorative lights. So then the interior decorator role comes into picture. तो काफ़ी different होता है, मतलब she does not have to touch the elements on like which are the fixed elements. Just have to work on some loose fixtures.
Right. So आपने more than 2 decades you've worked in this profession.
Yeah.
So tough clients भी होते हैं and sometimes people are rigid on following the trends.
Yeah.
And sometimes those trends वो sustainable नहीं होते. And हमारे Prime Minister नरेंद्र मोदी जी वो हमेशा focus करते हैं sustainability की towards.
Yeah, yes.
How do you incorporate sustainability in design and the elements that you use in architecture and interior design?
So there are various ways we can do it. Like we can go for more indoor plants. We can have more light and ventilation, natural light ventilation coming into the home. We can go for more low VOC paints should be used. We should be using some fixtures in the bathroom which uses less water. वो कर सकते हैं. Then organic fabrics to be used like as upholstery for the accent chairs, for the sofas. That can be done. And then other than that, we can go for solar panels are really important, so that we can take as much as energy we can take through the sun, which is really good. You cannot purchase the furniture again and again for every place you are shifting to, right? So my suggestion is to go for something which is really organic, easy to maintain, like you can go for some shisham wood or some solid wood furnitures, because they are timeless and goes with every kind of trend. Natural local materials can be used, like for example, like when we are sitting in NCR, so we can get Kota stone, Dholpur stone, which are like 3 to 4 hours from here, like from Rajasthan, from Jaipur. So we should be focusing on more of local materials and local artisans as well, so that we can reduce the cost of transportation. That also helps in the sustainability.
So according to the demography, हर जगह की अपनी एक style होती है and people want a certain kind of design in their homes. For example, अगर कोई राजस्थान में है तो वहाँ का interior designing थोड़ी different होगी.
True.
Unlike someone who is living in Mumbai or Delhi, जहाँ पे studio apartments का fashion है. तो आप तब डिज़ाइन कैसे इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं ऐसे डिफरेंट वैरायटी ऑफ क्लाइंट्स के लिए?
अब जैसे मान लो फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई गेट अ क्लाइंट फ्रॉम जयपुर राजस्थान, राइट, सो as I want to go for the sustainability, I definitely want to go for some materials which are locally available. जैसे आपका स्टोन, ढोलपुर स्टोन हो गया, मैं वो यूज़ करना चाहूँगी. आई वांट टू गो फॉर सम ब्रिक टाइल्स देयर and some plants and some red color and those pink colors I would really want to incorporate in the house. So because that makes you grounded to your actual heritage, cultural heritage, which should be and it tells about your history as well. The person who is living in Jaipur has some history, like with these kind of materials. So that should be incorporated. We can go for some wall art which shows the picture of the Jaipur, and if we want to get little bit of modern touch, we can even do the fusion as well. Maybe the furniture can be contemporary, but little bit of decor here and there, some center tables, side tables can speak the language of Rajasthan.
Right.
So that, you know, that it means then you're grounded to your, you know, culture, to your heritage, to your ancestors. So that really helps, and it makes your home.
Right.
It's not like you are sitting in Rajasthan but you are getting the feeling of USA, no? That
Right.
does not look nice.
राइट राइट देयर इज अ सेइंग दैट जब आप कभी दफ्तर से घर आ रहे हो तो घर लगना चाहिए. ये नहीं कि घर से कहीं बाहर जाने का मन करे. एंड सिंस यू स्पोक अबाउट हैविंग टॉडलर्स अराउंड, तो घर पे पेट्स भी होते हैं, बच्चे भी होते हैं, एंड एल्डर्स भी होते हैं. तो पेट फ्रेंडली घर बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. टाइल्स ऐसे रखना जिससे हमारे जो पेट्स हैं उनकी पॉज और उनकी नीज अफेक्ट ना हो. तो आप क्या कुछ डिजाइन्स और टेक्सचर्स इनकॉर्पोरेट करते हैं घर पे, जिससे बच्चों के लिए घर को सेफ बनाया जा सके कि उनकी हाइट, कई बार बच्चों की आदत होती है उनकी हाइट जहाँ से रहेगी या पेट्स की, तो वो चीज़ों को लेके खा जाए या लकड़ी पे स्क्रैचेस कर दे.
या सो दिस एज यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पेट्स, अबाउट द किड्स एंड एल्डरली पीपल, so these are three very important people in the house, and special care should be taken, especially for the elderly people, I would say. And lot of things are like common for the elderly people and for the kids. So if we start with the elderly people, there are lot of things which should be kept in mind, is like we should be incorporating switch and storages in such a way that there's less bending. It's very important because adults cannot, or all adults can, you know, elderly people can bend. So that should be located in such a position, even on the sides of the bed also, so that they can easily operate it, right? And the second point is the corners should be round. All corners should be round. It should not be sharp, and it should be soft as well. So whenever they are just moving around, sometimes elderly are with the wheelchairs or with the, you know, grab bars. So just these special provisions should be there in each and every room. And if we talk about the interiors perspective as well, having an elderly bedroom, we should have one wall where the person can have all the memories, you know, pictures, you know, all the walls, so that they always get energized looking at the kids, grandkids, you know. So, and maybe they're young, when they were young, their pictures, they with the wife, with the kids. So that's really important.
I think
to have
one wall should have the entire family tree
or something should be there. And the other thing what I see, in the bedroom there should be arrangement for the extra seating. Right. So the other family members, then they're visiting us, they can actually sit for a long time, you know. When the proper seating is there, they will definitely sit. If there's no seating, they will not sit. So there should be proper arrangement for the seating. And
let's talk about the kids. For example, for kids के लिए जो डिजाइन्स वो चूज करते हैं, समटाइम्स पेरेंट्स डोंट अग्री. कलर एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, एंड अ प्ले एरिया ऑल्सो, द काइंड ऑफ बेड्स फॉर देम, एंड लाइटिंग फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बिकॉज उनका स्टडी टाइम भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है.
राइट.
तो इस चीज़ों में आप क्या कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स हैं जो आप अपने क्लाइंट्स को समझाती हैं?
या designing a kids room, there are few things which should be kept in mind because kids grow quickly. So तो उनका जो room होता है, that should be really safe तो होना ही चाहिए. There should be, again, as like for the elderly rooms, there should be no sharp corners because they run quickly, you know, they jump. So there should be no corners, right? So study tables should be in such a way which can like extendable. Like when the kids are small, it should be at some level, maybe 2 feet level. But when they are increasing, we can increase like 2 inches.
That's where sustainability comes into play.
Yeah, so it's not like changing the study table.
Every year अचानक से height बढ़ गई तो आपको फिर सारा डेकोर चेंज करना पड़ रहा है, कलर डिफरेंट करना.
Now coming to the other thing, kids का ना चॉइस बहुत चेंज होता है. आज उन्हें डोरेमोन पसंद आ रहा है तो कल उन्हें स्पाइडरमैन पसंद आना स्टार्ट हो जाएगा ना. वी शुड कीप द फिक्स्ड फर्नीचर इन द सेंस लाइक स्टडी टेबल हो गया, वार्डरोब्स हो गया, बेड हो गया, इन अ सिंपल कलर्स, यू नो, सॉलिड सिंपल कलर्स, मे बी ब्लू और पिंक कर सकते हैं विद द वुडन एलिमेंट्स, आई वुड सजेस्ट. And whatever animated things you want to have, maybe you can just frame them, hang them on the wall, or maybe you can use some plush toys. You can just give the color to a room with the help of these elements. Maybe a rug, a nice rug will, nice rug. Maybe a bed sheet will also work.
So you were talking about colors. तो कलर्स कितना रोल प्ले करता है साइकोलॉजी में कि अगर डार्क शेड कलर को चूज कर रहा है वर्सेस पैस्टाइल कलर्स, तो किससे क्या प्रेफर करना चाहिए?
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन एक्चुअली. अब जैसे एल्डरली रूम होता है वहाँ हम ना स्ट्रॉन्ग कलर्स प्रेफर नहीं करते हैं बिकॉज वो आपको ना एक कामनेस नहीं देंगे. तो वहाँ पे गो फॉर सम अर्दी टोन्स, यू नो, सम बेज कलर्स में हम जाना चाहेंगे, या लाइट ग्रेज में हम जाना चाहेंगे, या पेस्टल पिंक्स में जाना चाहेंगे. लेकिन किड्स रूम में क्या होता है, बिकॉज दे आर ग्रोइंग एंड देयर लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी इज देयर, सो वहाँ वी कैन गो फॉर सम नाइस ब्राइट पॉप कलर्स, यू नो, बिकॉज दैट गिव्स देम एनर्जी. द रेड कलर इज एसोसिएटेड विद द एनर्जी ओनली. So you know, person to person, age to age, the color preference also changes.
What do mirrors play a role in the design? Rooms में एक बड़ा mirror होना बहुत ज़रूरी है, and shapes वो भी, अगर circular हो या एक solid shape में हो, तो mirrors आप कैसे incorporate करते हैं design में?
Yeah, mirrors are really important because एक तो mirrors के reflection से room looks more spacious, ठीक है ना, तो बहुत enhance करता है beauty को, aesthetics को. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं कि अभी कुछ वास्तु concern is also related to, you know, mirrors. We don't want to have mirrors facing the bed where we see our reflection while we are sitting. So we should always plan mirrors in such a way that the bed is not visible. Mirrors definitely look nice in the living area, in the family lounge area, or maybe in the foyer. So when you enter the home, we can have a nice big size mirror paneling or a nice mirror decor. So when you're going out or coming inside, you can just have a last glance to the mirror and just go out. So that really helps, and in the living room as well. And especially if the room is really small in size, there we can definitely plan for some mirrors because it will help you to have the bigger look.
So we are living in modern era. या noise pollution एक बहुत बड़ा factor है. तो मेंटल पीस के लिए घर को कैसा बनाया जाए, क्या मटेरियल यूज किया जाए घरों में कि अकूस्टिक फ्री रहे और साउंड स्लीप आपके क्लाइंट्स ले सके?
To answer this question, the one thing which we should keep in mind is the just windows and doors we are always put for our, you know. So it should be tightly double glassed, should be the UPVC and aluminum doors and windows should be used, so that it breaks the noise like coming inside. That's one way we can do it. Other than that, we can have, you know, such kind of panelings which is like acoustical. We can go for some foam based panelings inside the home. There are acoustic panels which are available in the market. We can just, you know, put them in few places, you know, here and there, like especially in the TV room. We can have just one panel behind the TV which will absorb the extra noise. जैसे आपके headphones में होता है ना, noise cancelling होता है, that works like that.
What message would you want to give people who are watching this podcast and जो अपने घर को डिज़ाइन करना चाह रहे हैं, तो किस अप्रोच के साथ एक डिज़ाइनर से मिले और उनको अपनी नीड्स के बारे में बताएं?
Yeah, so it's very important, as I said earlier also, whenever you're designing the house, design it for yourself, not for anyone else. Just focus on what requirements, what is your daily routine, like if you are a basketball player, if you are a badminton player, just focus on where should I be keeping these, you know, playing instruments, where should I be keeping it. And if you are you know, if you're fond of reading, there should be some reading corner should be there. People usually skip these kind of daily habits or hobbies while designing the house. So just focus on what you are, what you want to do, and how you want to spend your time with the family, with the kids, with the pets. So it's really important. And just go with what you like, you know, especially with the upcoming interior designers and the architects. Don't get influenced with what other people are doing,
right,
what is going on social media, you know. It's very important subject, you know. People are getting influenced with the social media, and a lot of people, the competitors are putting a lot of pictures in there. Just don't go distracted with what others are doing. Do what you love. When you do what you love, people will love you and things will come out good. So that's the thing.
Right, absolutely. Yeah. Well, thank you so much for joining the podcast.
Thank you, it's my pleasure.
A lot of takeaways from this, and I hope people who are watching this podcast will understand what really interior designing is all about.
I hope so. Thank you. Thank you.